Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. For this video I've done some deep research about buy-sell ads, how you can make money with this paying advertising network, how it works, the eligibility, withdrawal, and many more important subjects about buy-sell ads. If you like it, you can subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. So let's get started. First of all, I want to talk with you about what is buy-sell ads. Well, buy-sell ads is a marketplace that brings publishers and advertisers together by prioritizing the buying and selling of ads. Some key features about buy-sell ads. Well, the company was founded in 2008. It is one of the highest paid ad networks. Publishers and bloggers put their site in the platform, and the advertiser buy advertising space after analyzing the stats of the site. Publishers have the opinion to set up automatic and manual features to approve ads. The company will check for the quality of your site before approving. Also, once you accept the ads, they will reflect on your site and you can earn more money at a regular basis. Also, 25% of the value of the ad slot which is sold is taken as a commission by the company. Zone is defined by the company as the space you are providing for ads placement, like sidebar, top or bottom bar, or more. Once the zone is created, it is required to install ad codes. There are two types of ad codes. These are header code to the header of the blog, and zone code, which is sidebar using the WordPress text widget. The site has got a good user interface and the ability to set up CPMs. Social media profiles available are Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Also, customer support is available through email. About advertisements and offers, advertising types are display, sponsored tweets, and email. Offer types is CPM and verticals all. Different types of ad options provided by the company include image ad, text and image ad, also RSS ad, tweet ad, and much more. Bloggers are more advisable to choose image ads to maintain their blog design. The control panel and publisher reporting. The control panel, at first, it features an instinctive user interface. The dashboard consists of publishers' placements, overall performance, and earnings of bloggers / publishers. Inventory, where publishers can assemble new ad placements or alter existing settings of inventory. Property settings, where publishers can edit the profile of their site. Discount codes and tools, a tab that displays marketplace short URL codes. So these are the tools. Publishers reporting. Well, performance page shows metric like ad impressions, clicks, average CTR, eCPM, and estimated earnings. The total income earned from ad zone or site is displayed in earning page. And some things about the payments. The payment methods include check, PayPal, and wire. Payments are processed within 2 or 3 days of requesting, and once can request up to 2 cash outs per month. Also, the minimum payout is $20 for PayPal, $50 for check, and $500 for wire. So guys, now let's take a look on their website. As you can see, if we go here at the top, we can learn some more things about this ad network. So let's go to advertisers. Here is the page. They connect with brands with hard to reach audience. So we make it easy to connect with tech audiences at scale. Reach developers, designers, early adopters, crypto enthusiasts, and other tech-savvy audiences in a single platform. So if you are looking to leverage a particular channel, then you have native and custom placements, podcasts, email placements, and dedicated sends, sponsored content, and display banner ads. Here are some of their publishers. Drive results that exceed their goals. So they have a full stack for publishers, sponsorship, sales, self-serve ad platform, ad block recovery, commerce and affiliate management, header bidding management, and private marketplace. Here are the resources. The customers and audiences. So guys, if you want to learn more about BuySellAds, you just have to go on their website. You can get in touch, log in, create an account, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video. You can comment in the comment section down below if the video was helpful. What is your opinion about BuySellAds? And I'll make sure to answer to your questions, to your thoughts as quickly as possible. And also, if you want to subscribe, you can do it. You can turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.